Yeah, today, March 6, 2019. I'm right here in front of the property, 2023 Payson Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21217. We've applied for the gas and electricity since January, and we were approved by first week in January 2019. Since then, there was no any gas, no heat, no hot water in the house. But today, the contractors are here working very, very tirelessly. It's a lot of job to do here, and hopefully they're going to get it done. And like I said, you can see the hole right here. You have to dig all the way down to get into where the pipeline is. And hopefully they're going to get it done today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. But since January that we have approved to get his power here and gas line here, today is the day that they decide to get it done. So hopefully they're going to get it done tomorrow, like I said. Adversity Relief Foundation is trying to get the power in the house. Got the power since January, and after that January, no gas line, no heat, no hot water. But hopefully, as soon as they get it done, between today and tomorrow, we'll start getting the gas. So hopefully. So guys, well done.
We're going to be pulling this off real quick.
Okay.
Nice, okay?
Yeah. Okay. See there. A lot of tools and machinery here that they have been doing. Using all these kind of heavy duty, and that's the tool right there. See, a lot of work to do on 2023 N Payson Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21217. There's a lot of work needs to be done. Gas line, see them. We've been working here since early in the morning. It's already 1:05 p.m. today, March 6, 2019. So we kind of try to see how to dig everything all the way down, and they have to run the gas line. They have to run the gas line from the street all the way down to the house. That's it. 2023 N Payson Street. See right there. You can see those guys working so hard to get this gas line issue resolved.